Hey everybody, this is Emiraza, and in this video I want to show you guys how to add this typewriting effect to your Kajabi page using some custom codes and in less than 5 minutes. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to head over to your landing page and add some text to which you want to apply the typewriting effect to. In our case, we're going to be applying the typewriting effect to this piece of text over here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the setting tabs over here and click on custom code. Over here, just below where it says JavaScript code goes here, paste the JavaScript code that I will be providing in the description of this video. The JavaScript code is going to look something like this. Just copy it and paste it over here and click on save. Once you do that, once you do that, click on the text block. This is the text block. Click on the text block and that's going to open up the sidebar, and on this sidebar you're going to find the source code tab over here or the button. Just click on the source code button and it's going to bring up a new window which says source code on the top. Over here, just select the text to which you want to apply the animation to. In our case, we're going to be looping changing courses to, let's see, we're going to be changing courses to coaching, podcast, training and blog. Okay, so just select the text and replace it with the HTML code that I'll be pasting in the description of this video. So the HTML code is going to look something like this. Copy the HTML code and replace it with the word that you want to apply the typewriting effect to. Over here, you're going to find three variables: variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3. These are the variables that are going to be uh, we're going to be animating. So I'm going to replace variable 1 with, let's say, courses. So because that was the first sentence, the first word, courses. Then let's say coaching. And the third one could be community. Once you do that, click on OK over here and click on Save button. Wait for it for some time. Preview your page. Once you preview your page, you're gonna see that this text have started animating. Now we're gonna take it a step further and add some color to the word. So go back. Not go. Don't go back. Click on the text block again. Click on the source code again, and over here, just where it says span class type, right? You can do a Control F and type in class. Okay, class. Just before the class, type style equals to double quotes. Okay, and between these double quotes, type color colon the color code. In our case, we're gonna add this blue. So I'm just gonna pick up my color picker over here and copy the color code, the hex color code for this blue. Come over here, add a pound sign, and paste the code. Paste the color code. Okay, that's it. Click on OK over here and click on save. Once it saves, preview your page, and you're gonna find that the text color have changed. The next thing that you need to do is, let's say you want to add more words to animate. Okay, again, click on the source code over here. Just before the closing array, closing square bracket. So this is called an array. So just before, just the before the closing square bracket, add a comma, add a comma, and select this line, select this text. Okay, select this text and copy it. Add a comma before the after the comma, paste the code. Add one more comma and paste the code. So we have community, community, community. I'm gonna change community, the, the second last community, to podcast, and this community to, let's say, blog maybe. That's it. Click on OK over here. Now we have added two more words to animate. Just click on save after you do it. So preview it Now we're gonna have five words. So first word is gonna be courses. The second word is going to be coaching. The third word is going to be community. Fourth, podcast. And the last one was blog. All right. So I hope you found this video helpful. Um, Let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions. And thank you for watching it so far.